this is a flagship in the sense that all our programs, which we call flagship, are game changer programs.
The government using the stage of the Congress headquarters to make its political game changer announcement. And with the Gujarat polls just weeks away, the PMO has asked all concerned ministries to take steps to operationalize the direct cash transfer scheme or the DCT scheme with immediate effect. Predictably, the BJP is none too happy. It's complained to the Election Commission saying it's a violation of the Code of Conduct. The BJP's objections rest around three main points. Firstly, that it's a violation of the Code of Conduct ahead of the Gujarat polls. Secondly, the government made the announcement of implementing the cash transfer scheme from the Congress headquarters. And thirdly, Minister Jairam Ramesh used Aapka Paisa, Aapke Haath slogan, linking the Congress's poll symbol.
कंडक्ट वो बनाते हैं जिस कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के द्वारा चुनाव का काल आरंभ होने से पहले और उस दौरान में सरकार ऐसी कोई घोषणाएं न करे कि जिससे चुनाव प्रभावित हो सकता हो.
The government's timing of announcing the scheme does come under the scanner, simply because the timeline given by it is still some distance off. Under the plan, the government has set a deadline of the 1st of January 2013 to kickstart the DCT scheme in 51 districts. By April 2013, the plan is to cover the 18 states and union territories in the country, and by April 2014, it will be extended to another 16 states and union territories.
Whether this announcement benefits Congress in the upcoming polls or not is anybody's guess. But the BJP needs to show its vote bank that it is matching the Congress move for move in the run-up to the elections. Also, the BJP wants to counter the government's claim that the DCT scheme will reform the floundering PDS system.
But civil society members aren't at all impressed by the PDS reformation argument.
If they are talking of merely transferring cash, say for salaries, for pensions, there is no issue. But they cannot substitute cash transfer for services, for goods. It's not acceptable.
Even the Samajwadi Party, which is supporting the government from outside, is not convinced by the government's move.
पूरी तौर पर सहमत नहीं, क्योंकि केवल आप गैस के ऊपर सब्सिडी ट्रांसफर करें और किसान की हालत बद से बदतर होती जाए. 4 गुना दाम हो गया है सारे उर्वरकों का, उस पर कोई राज्य सहायता नहीं मिली.
What makes matters worse is that the National Identification Authority Bill, which allows the issuance of Aadhaar numbers by the National Identification Authority of India, remains stuck in Parliament. The government could have a tough time explaining its tearing hurry in making the direct cash transfers announcement. With Deepak Bajpai in Delhi,